What's going on YouTube? Slick Camaro back with another video. I know I'm kind of looking rough right now, got a lot going on, but I already started working on this video or this particular project that I'm doing before I started recording. So I'm sweaty, I'm dirty, all that good stuff, but I want to show y'all exactly what I got going on right now. So let's take a look. Alright, so I got my wheels off my car and the front bumper is off the car as well. Alright, so what am I doing today? Alright, so this is it right here. My upper grille for my ZL1 bumper for American Authority. Alright, now so as you can see, I already have the upper grille off the bumper. All right, it's off. Here it go right here. All right, so this is the upper grille that comes with the ZL1 bumper from American Authority. So like I told y'all before, this is a bow tie delete. All right, if you get the ZL1 bumper from American Authority, they're going to give you the bow tie delete. All right, American Authority does not sell an upper grille with the Chevy bow tie on it. All right, the bow tie that I showed you earlier, this bow tie right here, I got it off of eBay. All right, now this bow tie right here fits the LT, LS, and RS front bumper for the 6th gen Camaro. Okay, so the LT, LS, and RS upper grille is the only grille that will fit this ZL bumper right here from American Authority. All right, this is the only grille that will fit that. This is OEM. All right, that's the only upper grille that will fit this bumper right here. So that's my plan right now, is to put that upper grille on my bumper. So I also got a box from American Authority that I needed. I needed a box for this upper grille. There's something in that box that I'm going to open up right now and I'm going to show y'all, and it's for this front bumper from American Authority. So let's go ahead and open it up right now. Shout out again to my sponsor, American Authority. I needed a couple parts overnighted to me for my front bumper like we talked about, so let's see what they gave me. So we got a fuel door cover, matte black. I might do a giveaway. I got 2 of these right now, and I got one on my car. So just stay tuned for a giveaway. I got one coming up soon. All right, got some American Authority hats. Got my winglets. I needed a replacement for these. These go on the side part right here. You can see it got scratched up right here if you look real close. And also we got the rust on the nails. So that's what this is right here, to replace that. Last but not least, we got the bumper absorber. This is what goes on the inside of the front bumper. It's basically an impact absorber in case you get in a car crash. That's what this for. Okay, so before I put the upper grille on the front bumper, there is a couple other things that I'm working on right now that I want to show you. So take a look right here. These are my winglets that go on my front lip that I just showed you that came out of that box. I already started spray painting these gloss black, and then I'm also going to spray paint these gloss black right here as well. Now this is where the fog lights go for the ZL1 front bumper. The lights at the bottom This is the cover for it, and I always wanted to paint these gloss black, and I never got a chance to do it. So now that I got my bumper off, I can go ahead and paint these gloss black. So I'm going to paint this. So I'm going to paint these gloss black, the winglets gloss black, and then I'm also going to put my bumper absorber on the car as well. So let's get to it. Alright, so here we have the two upper grills. This top one right here is the bow tie delete from American Authority, and this bottom one right here is the OEM LS, LT, or RS upper grill. Alright, so basically if you try to get any other upper grill like the SS or the ZL1 upper grill, that would not fit on that ZL1 bumper from American Authority. Alright, so this is the only one that fits on the ZL1 American Authority front bumper. If you look at it, it's basically identical 100%. The only difference is that bow tie and this chrome piece right here. That's really the only difference between the two upper grills. Okay, so on the front bumper on the upper grill, there's something you want to look for that I want to show you. Alright, so in this upper grill area, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tabs at the bottom. There's also 8 tabs at the top of the upper grill as well. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Hold on, let me show you right now. Okay, so there's the same amount of tabs under the top of the upper grill area as well. All right, those tabs that you see basically lines up with these holes under the bottom of the grill. All right, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, those 8 tabs at the bottom line up with this. So you basically insert it and connect it together with the top and the upper part of the hose. The same thing at the top. So the same thing at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the top. All right. Basically, you line that up with this on the back side, and it should snap right in place. So let's go ahead and do it now. And there you have it. The upper grill is installed. Got the Chevy bow tie right there. Excuse the fingerprints and stuff. I'm gonna make sure I wipe all that off. This is how the upper grill look on the ZL1 front bumper. Over there is where I gotta finish letting my parts drying that I sprayed down. So tomorrow I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put the front bumper on, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, so here you go, everything is installed. Now I couldn't show y'all exactly how I put it back on because my camera died, but there is other videos on YouTube that you can look up that will show you how to put this bumper on the car. So a few things that I want to mention real quick. I blacked out the middle grille, I made it gloss black. I got my bumper absorber on there. You probably can't see it, it's kind of dark. But I got my SS emblem back on there. I blacked out the bow tie. I put my front lip extension on. The splitter extension right here is on there. I added the white pinstripe. I got the Cores of Performance on there. Yeah, that's basically it. Everything is back on there, man. Camaro Fest is coming up around the corner. So, man, this thing look nice, god damn. But yeah, man, this thing looking more aggressive by the day. Camaro Fest is around the corner. So make sure y'all tune in to my next video. I got another video dropping tomorrow, and I'll see you next time.